Shot was there para dito kay Alex Cabagnot. But you have to think, gotta give that big man some touches right now, especially with how hard he's been working dito sa huling 3 minuto ng nadumaan.
They go to Kirby Raimundo with a fake. Dalawang fake, may fade away pa. Naamintis pa rin. Being challenged by Nick Pasigas. This time, si Raimundo Lemites. Chris Alexander still getting the ball. Hindi na makakuha nitong Barangay Ginebra ang malalapit na tira. Nakubgob doon si Mark Cagiwa. To Dylan Nababu. Dylan Nababu mintis pa rin. And Nick Pasigas again coloring his 18th rebound tonight.
You know, Ginebra's getting their chances because they're getting offensive rebounds. It's just that they've been unlucky. Yung mga tira na pumapasok na, niluluwa sa mga puntong yun.
So, nakita na natin yan kung gaano kahirap yung mga puntong ng Petron. Ganun na nakadali. Ngayon, but now in this, dito naman si Nick Pasigas yung kanyang malapitang tira. Kanina, papikit niya ng tinitira at pumapasok as we enter the last 2 minutes of play dito po sa ating laban.
It's going to be a true test of conditioning ngayon because you see both imports already huffing and puffing.
Sapal lang ibinigay ng depensa ng Petron on Kirby Raimundo. Tama ka dyan. These strong players are not really used to playing long minutes doon sa kanilang mga pinaglalaro. Pero dito, they are forced to do just that. Barangay Ginebra calling a 30-second timeout.
And you know, the reason they're calling this despite mapabawasan sila ng...
At sinasamahan naman tayo ng Petron Universe. Pero Barangay Ginebra nakanakaw doon.
Like you said, you use that timeout because you're inbounding from the baseline. The easiest point in the basketball court to inbound the ball. Excellent play drawn up by Coach Shot Tangkitsen.
Petron not able to anticipate that. Still, the good Sunday crowd. Alam na, papanood po naman ng magandang laban ng Barangay Ginebra at Petron. A minute and 30 remaining in the ball game. Aluseni. Ang kanya set. Ayun! Pumasok pa rin! Ciso Barrel going here in the dying minutes of the ball game. This time, Petron with the upper hand. 26 seconds remaining ang natitira. Tumawag po ng 30-second timeout ang Barangay Ginebra. Pero bago po yan, ito yung dalawang magkasunod na ofensiba ng dalawang kupunan.
You look at these two plays, both of them coming out of timeouts and both coaches making use of timeouts to get points on the board, putting pressure on the opposing team.
And it's nice to see coaches na at saka sa kanilang mga players na nakakapag-deliver doon sa gusto nilang mangyari. So ito naman, pagkakataon ng Barangay Ginebra magpakita pero naagawan sila ng Petron. Chris Lutz with a steal.
Chris Lutz, you know, you talk about his offensive skills, but you have to remember that this guy is a very good defensive player. And
ang kupunan ng Petron Blaze, a minute and 16. Cabagnot receiving the inbound pass. So Chris Lutz now to Arvin Santos against Babu. They're going one-on-one. Arvin Santos, yung kanyang looper, all air. Grace Alexander with the rebound to Mark Cagiwa.
But itong Barangay Ginebra only had 1 timeout left. That's why they did not use it in this period right here.
Checking si shot clock. Atake si JJ Hildebrand making the basket. Big basket for JJ Hildebrand. Ito ang Petron dito ngayon ang namumroblema and they have to call a timeout to talk things over. That's the big shot by JJ Hildebrand. Hindi ininta yung depensa ang ibinigay sa kanya ni Chris Lutz. A big pull-up jumper. Matapos madepensahan yung tira nito si Arvin Santos. Ang Barangay Ginebra delivering to get the lead back. Coverages ng mga laro ng PBA. Susunod po natin sa araw naman ng Miyerkules. Pero balikan natin ating laban. Petron with the ball but they're down by 1 point. Chris Lutz to Al-Husseini. Al-Husseini, ang jumper namin this. Ang rebound makukuha ni Mark Cagiwa to JJ Hildebrand.
No need for Petron to foul. Actually a lot of times. Ooh, cleaned out by Willie Wilson. Is Alex Cabagnot.
Not the best of decisions for Willie Wilson in that play.
Now we have to see if it is actually an illegal screen. That's what was called by the referees. You can see talaga si Alex Cabagnot tumilapon nung dumaan siya kay Willie Wilson.
Sa ating pagkakakita dito, mukhang itong si Willie Wilson lead forward. Ito, close call at least in that angle.
Here it is. Petron situation. You know, in close games, look out for Alex Cabagnot. And don't forget about Danny Ives.
Cabagnot taking it upon himself, Vites. Willie Wilson with the rebound. Atoning for the miscue earlier. Coloring that big rebound for Willie Wilson. At pinaut pa ito. Nasa penalty situation na po ang Petron. So 2 free throws for Willie Wilson.
You know, you look at the shots that Petron has, all decent looks. This one, Alex able to beat out etong si JJ Helterbrand. But you also have to wonder, no touches for their hottest player, which is Nick Fasicas, at the close of the game.
Still enough time for Petron though.
Marami pang oras, I remember.
Only a 2-point ball game. Pasok ni Willie Wilson. Even if he makes the second free throw,
Plus a timeout.
it will still be a single possession ball game. 18.5 seconds remaining.
Hold eh, no?
20 seconds. Ibinalik po ang ating oras. Nakadagdag ng isang kalahating segundo kasi kanina 18.5 yan. Wilson completing the 2 free throws. Lamang sila ng 3. But enough time for Petron as they call timeout.
Well, but the 3 points is there. You would think that they're still going to be willing to take that. What's important is that clock management, quick points para sa Petron.
Pero nasa labas pa ito si Cabagnot. Ang pasa niya kay Fasicas, nahihirapan as he is being defended by Willie Wilson. Halos mawala pa ang bola. But Daniel Duponso recovers. Sa labas, Cabagnot. Ipapasa kay Chris Nash. Chris Nash papasok. Balik kay Fasicas for 3. Boom! Time management. Yung pala ang version ng time management for Petron. Not going for the 2 though. 3-pointer from Nick Fasicas to tie the ball game up.
This is the PBA. Yan ang masasabi natin. You thought that it was over dahil nagkagulo na itong Petron dahil sa depensa ng Barangay Ginebra. But Nick Fasicas, we said earlier, how many opportunities hindi siya nakahawak ng bola. Finally gets a chance here. Good defense on the part of Willie Wilson. But here, a patience and the patience of a team that is of championship caliber. And finally, finding the guy na libre para dun sa 3-point shot.
Well, this is a luxury for coaches, Jason. Nagkagulo na yung dinisenyo na play. But the basketball IQ of your players, hindi na rattle, still looking for the open man. Nakita si Fasicas is very hot and he delivered with a big shot.
And like we said, this is a team that played 7 close games in the semifinals. Balik sila ngayon, laro na naman, close game na naman, may tuwan-tuwa dun sa nangyari kanina.
Oo, pagkatapos ng laban na ito, sarap uminom ng salabat. Dahil napaos eh.
Paos.
3.9 seconds.
Humip-hop yung talon eh.
Eto po, may fouls sa game ang Barangay Ginebra, but bola po nila ito. So they won't be needing that. Penalty na po ang Petron. Merong last second substitution dito. El Deponso ilalabas. Ibabalik itong si Denok Miranda. Obviously, mga outside shooter ang kanilang babatayan dito. 3.9 remaining.
Lots of time.
JJ Helterbrand with the ball. Ang kanyang tira. Challenge! And takes it!
Oh my God!
Big shot after big shot! What a game we're seeing here! We thought that was it from Nick Fasicas. Hindi pa pala nauubusan ang Barangay Ginebra at si JJ Helterbrand. But that merits a review, I think.
Let's see that again. JJ Helterbrand having a shot clock in his head. Kalkulado. Pinilang ni JJ Helterbrand ang natitirang oras. He was the only guy that touched the basketball para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. But then he was able to create a shot. Remember, JJ was the guy that gave them that lead earlier with that bank shot. But he wasn't done. Look at the time on your screen. 3.9. Sabi natin, maraming oras yan. JJ able to carve out space. Going to the right side. Just a small screen here. Actually, si Fasicas na nakabantay sa kanya. Pinomba pa. Pasok pa rin para kay JJ.
When you have a 6'11 guy in front of you, you really have to be creative with your shot. At yun mismo, ang ginawa nito si JJ Helterbrand with one hell of a winner dito po sa panalo ng Barangay Ginebra. Ika nga, nakipaglaro sila sa pagkatalo dito sapagkat nawala nila yung 22-point lead. But when it mattered most, pumunta sila kay JJ Helterbrand and he delivered.
See it right there. JJ just able to find some inner strength and able to find a way, an angle, para ma-shoot yung bola na yon.
One thing I can say about JJ, it must be the shoes. JJ Helterbrand with that big shot. Ilang beses po natin ulitin, hindi magsasawa ang Barangay Ginebra with this sweet victory dito po sa ating Sunday offering. A win of Barangay Ginebra in their first game dito sa Commissioner's Cup over Petron Blaze Boosters. At ito, they're still celebrating with their hero, JJ Helterbrand. Hindi matatapos ang selebrasyon ng barangay. Wala pang umaalis dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum in celebrating with their team